Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you must have read through the title of the video that what I'm going to do today. Yes, it's who is most likely to challenge with two of my favorite cousins, Ankita Di and Akshita. The rules are very simple. I'll be asking 15 who is most likely to questions to them, and they have to write the answer that should be either Mehek or Ankita Di or Akshita. And yes, I'll be also writing simultaneously. Now, because of this pandemic, we cannot go out. So right now I am in a Zoom meeting and I'll be calling both of them here so that we can shoot the video. So I'm very excited. Now let's call them. Hey guys, hello Anku Didi and Astha. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I have a small question for both of you. How are you feeling today, like coming to my channel for the first time? Let's start with Anku Didi.
You see, I'm very excited because I got this opportunity to make a video, like a collab with one of the amazing YouTube creators. So I'm super excited.
And what about you, Astha?
I'm super excited too. Like I've never made a YouTube video before, so
Yeah.
yay.
Okay, so you all know the rules and you know how to play, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
What are
let's
we
start.
playing?
Sorry?
Also, is somebody going to be the winner or something?
No.
Yes, me.
No. Oh, please, no. No winner. It's just a game for fun, you know.
The neck.
Oh, please. Okay, so let's start. So the first,
I'm
am I
ready.
audible?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So the first question is, who is most likely to binge watch an entire series in a day?
Okay. Tell me 1, 2, 3, and you will all show together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
1, 2, 3,
okay.
we all show together.
3, 2, 1. Perfect. Obviously, no doubt.
Yes. Binge watching is the best thing to do in lockdown, guys.
Yeah. Okay. So the
Do
second
that.
question is, who is most likely to be a drama queen?
A second.
Okay, 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Oh, great, great. And why have you written me? You were supposed to write Astha.
Me, Nasha.
Okay, never mind. It's fine. It's
Such a
fine.
drama queen.
Okay, good. See, we are spot on, like spot on.
Yeah. Okay, next question. Who is most likely to do weird things in public?
Okay, give me some time for this. I'm pretty confused.
Me also, this is confusing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
3, 2, 1. Perfect again. Wow. Great. We know each other so well.
Drama queen going
Okay, it should be me. Actually, it should be me or it should be Astha, but then I realized that Astha is more of a drama than me.
Yeah, obviously.
If
Okay.
clicking pictures with drama.
So the drama queen title goes to Astha, no doubt.
Give
Okay.
me the crown, guys.
Awkward
Okay,
silence. Okay. The next question is, who is most likely to have never been in love? This is also very easy, I guess.
Okay, I think I'm done. So I'm
Yeah.
pretty much done.
So yeah.
Please, it is
1, 2,
easy.
3.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1. What's happening? Why have we written Mehek? It's Astha. It is Astha. Come on, Anku Didi.
I know the secrets.
What did just happen?
Why did nobody wrote my name?
No, because we think that you can fall in love. आपको होता है यार प्यार मतलब.
You really want us to fill that out?
Okay, censored. Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to appear on some reality show? Tell me once you're done.
Okay, I'm done.
Yeah, I'm done.
3, 2, 1. She has written Anku Didi.
No, I want to, but I don't think I'll ever come.
I don't know. I should be happy or sad now.
Okay, no, this
You
is a
literally
secret.
wanted to go in Splitsvilla and Big Boss.
Roomies,
So please.
and Big Boss 3. I want to go.
Also this time we will feature
The
you
fight
on
has
Indian
begun.
matchmaking. Don't worry.
The fight
Seema
has
auntie from Mumbai will come to our house, guys.
Yeah, I think I'm directly going to Indian matchmaking next.
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Few years and we'll have an episode for Ankita. Ankita
Yes.
is the new Aparna in the town.
Okay,
Compromise
moving
better.
on to the next question. Who is most likely to spend all their money on something stupid?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Wow, Astha thinks it's her, but I think it's Anku Didi.
Okay, now I really want to change the answer now. Okay.
Actually,
You
it's
have
both
to
of you.
change the answer.
See, I think it's both Anku Didi and Astha, but if I like compare, so I think it is Anku Didi.
Yeah.
Yeah, because most of my money goes in buying food and it is not wasting money. But yeah, it's like too much food sometimes. So.
Asta, I'm like more when it comes to food. I'm like the Zomato Swiggy ka ambassador, okay?
True. I hate you for that, hogger blogger.
Guys, please come on, stop it. Okay, next question is, who is most likely to fall asleep in the cinema?
Okay.
Pretty confused.
This is hard.
Yeah, it is. I'm confused
I don't,
between
think
two.
I've seen, I don't think I've seen you guys sleeping in. Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. It is Astha. It is Astha. How can you write my name? Wait, now I want to debate on this. How can you write my name? You know I love
Because
movies. Why will I sleep?
See, because you go and watch so many movies, so there at least 2-3 to hongi na where you fall asleep.
Oh God! Wow, what a logic!
One film I have I would receive a lot of hate, but I slept on while watching Dear Zindagi. So only one, is it considered? I've slept
No.
in only one movie.
I don't
See
even
what
remember
happened?
if I. No, I don't. I have never slept in a cinema. No, I don't think
No,
so.
to be honest, I've never seen either of you sleeping in the cinema, so I just wrote
Yeah,
it.
actually, we don't sleep anymore.
Yeah, we're like proper movie buffs. We don't sleep. We just
Yeah.
watch it.
If we had an option, I could have written someone else's name from our family, but okay. And I guess we all know who we're talking about. It's definitely mom.
Yeah, I agree.
She slept in Bahubali, and I'm so proud of her sometimes.
And she will kill you if she watches this video, so be careful.
Burn. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Next question.
Next question is, who is most likely to be allergic to dogs? This is the easiest. I don't think I have to even
Need
think
time.
about it.
I don't need time. Just show.
Yeah, I don't
Let's
even
just
need time.
Three,
Everyone
two,
knows this.
It's pretty
1
obvious.
second.
The only person who can be allergic to dogs is this YouTube creator.
Yeah, it's
Should
me.
not happen. You should have dog.
I'm gonna gift you a dog, Mehak, for sure.
Yes, please. Okay, then it's like my birthday. 15 दिन महक के birthday के बाद, so give me too.
Yeah, we'll get a family dog which will move around everybody's
Yeah,
house.
we can get a family dog. Okay. Next question. Who is most likely to be the teacher's pet?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Yes. Obviously.
Yes,
It's
okay,
topper.
nerdhead.
She's a topper, so yeah.
Okay, nerdhead.
You are.
Okay,
I'm like,
guys, you can literally see how studious Ankita Chopdar is because Piche, right behind her, there are sticky notes.
Exactly. Oh, yes.
And then right in front of her, there are sticky notes part 2. And I am pretty sure that she is keeping her phone on her books.
wow, how do you know that?
Oh my god. Oh god.
Yeah, it is actually true.
It's probably on the surgery book. It's probably on the surgery book. See, I told you.
Oh, what's happening?
Oh my god.
Now, you know, I will open up a mandir for myself. You all come and pay me some money and I will predict your future.
Okay,
You are
fine,
a
fine.
mood,
Next
Asta. You are a
question.
mood.
Next question. I'm done with this.
Okay. Next is, who is most likely to eat when they are bored?
Okay,
What?
see.
See, I'm actually
It
confused.
can be all three of us, but I want one name.
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's me. I think,
See, it's both of us, so
yeah.
It's actually.
Uh,
See, it's because I see Asta doing all this shit all the time, so I just wrote her name, but it's actually both of you.
I hate you so much, but never mind.
oh god, stop it. Who is most likely to become a baby again?
Wait, I did not get the question. Who's more likely to become a baby again?
कौन फिर से बच्चा बन जाएगा? अपनी उसकी जैसी हरकतें एंड वो सब है, वो फिर से बच्चा बन जाएगा. वो अपने एज के अकॉर्डिंग तो एक्ट नहीं करती है.
Okay.
Ah, Meg, you just gave a hint. I saw that. There was a hint.
What?
I see what you did there.
Can you stop cheating? Can you stop doing that?
Stop giving hints. Man, no hints.
Yeah.
Disclaimer.
Let me show the
Okay, so
answer, then I will say something.
I'm
3, 2,
done. I'm
1.
done.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1. The height says
Someone
it
buy
all.
Fruit Loops.
The height. The height.
See, it's because I'm staying with you guys so much that I want to actually like come back to your age group and just chill with my life.
Wow.
See, no, I wrote
Such a
the
diplomatic
Fruit
answer.
because Ankita Chopra still loves Fruit Loops. Everyone loves Fruit Loops. So hashtag we love Fruit Loops.
Yeah, I love Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops, I don't get it anywhere. Please, someone get me Fruit Loops, please.
Okay. Moving
When you
on.
get for yourself,
Moving
you
on,
are
guys.
delivering some
Guys,
for me too.
hello, guys. Moving on to the next question. Who is most likely to become addicted to Instagram?
Okay. Very weird. Like, okay. Yeah.
I'm
It's very easy.
confused, but okay. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. She has written her own name. What can be more insulting?
Literally falling again and again.
No, I think the
Yeah.
least who will be addicted ever to Instagram is Asta.
What?
The
Yeah,
least-
What? I cannot.
Sorry?
She doesn't get addicted. I don't think she'll get addicted to, but
Yeah.
no, I think she will. No, she will.
I am kind of right now, see, because there is no other good apps except Snapchat, Quora, Pinterest.
I just have to tell you,
Oh my
if
God.
you DM Asta, she will never reply because the only thing she does on Instagram is see food videos. That's it.
True that. Okay, next
That is
question.
so much purpose of Astha's Instagram.
Okay, so the next question is, who is most likely to stay up late just to study?
What a question. It's so confusing. I'm like so confused right now. It will take me forever to answer this. I don't know.
I don't even need time. I'm just showing. I don't need time also. Like, it's pretty obvious.
Hate me? Okay. Why do you? Okay, my answer is also the same.
Oh, okay.
It has to be Anku Didi. It has to be you, yaar.
Yeah, it's very obvious. I can't do it.
Medico with hogging skills. She will hog at night also, and she will like study at night also. If that made sense.
Okay. Okay, so I have only 2 more questions, okay?
Oh,
Okay.
no. Okay.
The second last question is, who is most likely to give up on a fitness goal?
Give a fitness goal for others or give up on a
Give
fitness
up
goal.
on a fitness
It will
goal.
not
Like,
be-
you are following a goal, but you will give up because you love food so much. So, like that.
This is
also like
confusing.
so difficult, Mehak. This is so difficult. It will take
It
me
is easy
forever
for
to
me.
answer.
I know who this is. This is easier.
Yeah, I'm gonna change my pattern and I will show you guys.
I know who
Oh
this
my
is.
God.
It is also kind of obvious.
What is Ankita Chopra doing? Okay, we can literally see you writing the answer. We can literally see.
I'm done.
That answer is completely wrong. I am telling you, that is a wrong answer. Okay.
Okay.
That
Okay,
is a
ready?
wrong answer. 3, 2, 1. What she has done, Astha plus Meg.
I think it's both of you. This is the answer. This is both of you because I've seen you guys. Okay, I know you both.
Okay.
It's like
Next question.
the
Okay,
last
this is
one.
the last question. Okay. Who is most likely to accidentally set the house on fire?
It's obvious. This is very obvious.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. My answer is Anku Didi plus Astha plus Mehak.
Okay, yeah, wait a second. Even my answer is Didi and me half. We both, if we both come together
three
and
of
try to
us.
do something.
It is 3 of us. No doubt.
It's 3 of us combined, then we are pakka gonna burn the house.
Yeah.
But if it's like alone,
No
then I will
wonders.
pass.
Like I literally might burn the house sometimes when I don't get like stuffs. Sorry.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it with 2 of my favorite cousins, Anku Didi and Astha. So how are you feeling? Was it good?
It was so
Really,
fun. I had a lot of fun.
Thank you for being a
That
part
was
of
really,
my
really fun.
video.
Loved it, loved it. I can't wait to see it on YouTube.
Yeah. Okay guys, so please, if you like this video, please like it, comment it and subscribe to my channel below. Bye.